After Google, Microsoft is also very active in the generative AI space. Microsoft is literally changing the AI game with these seven announcements in Microsoft Build 2023, which I'm going to show you in this video. While all of these are innovative, I believe that the number seven is a real game changer. That is why I have put it at the end so that you would watch the full video. The first one is Personal Copilot or Copilots Everywhere. The company is upgrading Windows 11 with a Copilot. This assistant will live within the taskbar and can summarize, rewrite, and explain text in any of the apps you are using, as well as adjust your computer setting. AI Copilot might give Windows devices some leg up over Apple's MacBook series. Business Copilot was expected. Microsoft is extending AI capabilities to Microsoft 365 apps with the addition of plugins to the 365 Copilot, which will also be integrated into the Edge browser. Developer Copilot is also getting a real visibility. GitHub is receiving an AI-powered chatbot integration with which to assist developers with various sections, provide code recommendations, and explain errors. ChatGPT is now really the part of Bing. OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbot will now use Bing as its default search engine. ChatGPT Plus users will see citations surfaced by Bing. This is good for AI explainability and looking at references for quality checks. Microsoft Fabric is also a very good announcement. It is a new all-in-one tool for managing and understanding data and connecting different data-related tasks. It helps a user to make the most of their data and find important information using AI. Users can talk to the tool to manage data, make code, build AI models, see results, and also build own chat experiences. This is a responsible AI dashboard for text and image data, helping identify potential errors, harmful content, and fairness issues in models before deployment. Azure AI Studio is a platform enabling developers to apply ChatGPT and GPT-4 to their data and support vector embeddings. New capabilities include open source foundation models providing a unified catalog to fine-tune, evaluate, and deploy a range of popular models with the Azure Machine Learning Registry. If you have used AWS, this Azure AI Studio seems a bit like AWS Bedrock, but I think with more ease of use. With Azure AI, Microsoft is making a real good impact on generative AI as compared to AWS and even Google. I think um, OpenAI's API, which is included with Bing now, also which gets integrated with Hugging Face, is a real deal breaker here for Google and AWS especially because AWS is really lagging behind. So I think that this will be huge, and one advice for AWS is to lift their game in AI and release that AWS Bedrock as soon as possible because they are really lagging behind. I hope that this was interesting. If you have any feedback or if you have any feature which I missed from Build 2023, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.